The National Credit Rating Agency of Zimbabwe says a strong credit rating is essential in building investor confidence and unlocking funding for key infrastructure products. Now, this comes at a time when the country is positioning itself as a prime destination for investment, with the government and financial institutions putting in place some instruments now to attract a long-term capital. And our business correspondent, Melissa Chatikobo, gives us more details.
Earlier this month, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe accredited the International Credit Rating Agency, a private limited company, as an official credit rating agency. This contributes to independent credit assessments that guide investment decisions and risk management.
We are basically licensed or accredited to credit rate financial institutions, the whole financial ecosystem, so to speak, including even portfolio, rating. Individuals, yes, we can rate as well.
But why is credit rating important?
We produce a document that investors understand. It carries the critical information that investors use in terms of whether they can release their capital into our market.
An economy that has a credit rating in its ecosystem will improve capital matchmaking. According to HRS Zimbabwe, the country needs long-term capital to match its national development.
Right now, Zimbabwe requires patient capital, and the credit rating reports are obviously going to assist in making sure that we don't attract hot capital, so to speak, and in preference for patient capital.
The government has introduced various investment instruments such as infrastructure bonds and public-private partnerships to attract sustainable funding. These efforts, combined with a structured credit rating framework, could place Zimbabwe in a stronger position to access international capital markets.
Licensing a credit rating agency is one such. So already we have moved in the right direction, and like I indicated, the AFCTA will also run, parallel to support the desire by the country to market itself as a potential destination for capital.
With the implementation of reforms and investment-friendly policies, Zimbabwe is signaling to the global investors that it is ready for business. However, experts emphasize that maintaining transparency and a strong credit rating will be key to sustaining investor trust. Reporting for ZTM Prime, I am Melissa Chatikobo in Harare.
Well, many thanks there to Melissa Chatikobo for giving us that story. And of course, we continue making sure that Zimbabwe stays relevant as far as being a lucrative investment destination. And you know how the story goes. We all have to work hard to make sure that it stays so.
Konapo, ipapo.